Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a 5-minute makeup challenge. I feel like 5 minutes is a good amount of time, but that's if you're doing like an everyday natural makeup. I would think it'd be very hard to do a full glam look in 5 minutes. So today I thought I would kind of just do something realistic for every day that would encourage you to learn some tips and tricks to help speed up your beauty routine, because I'm all about that in the morning. I think I feel really good about this. I'm almost like feeling a little cocky right now. So let's just hit 5-minute mark. Ready, set, go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with skin. I feel like that takes the longest. Oh my gosh, I can't even find my foundation. Okay, I'm gonna do my Hourglass foundation stick. You guys have seen me really enjoy this. So what I'm gonna do is put a couple swipes of that. Actually, I go a little more than that. And right now this color matches me really well, which I'm happy about. Then I'm gonna take a sponge and press that in. And I feel like the skin takes the longest. So usually I do eyes before face, but I'm gonna do face before eyes just cause it does take longer, and I'm not doing a smoky eye, which is typically why I do my eyes before my face. And I'm totally just relying on my camera's mirror, and so I hope I'm blending it in because I have really bad vision, so I'm sure you guys will be the judge of that. Blend that in, blend that in. Get those acne scarring parts here on the sides of my face. Might actually need to check because I have no idea what this, I can't see this far. Put a little on the eyelids to prime also my eyelid area. You can use foundation and concealer as that. I always like to double up if I'm in a rush. So where am I at? Okay, that took 1 minute, which is ridiculous. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution in C7. Put a couple swipes of that here, there. With the same sponge. I'm not gonna like use too many products today. Tap that in a little bit on the eyelids, under the nose. All right, we're looking a little more even. And now I'm actually going to take my face powder by Laura Mercier, set everything in place. Oh, my shirt is like dripping right now. Oh my gosh, so much cleavage for this video. Set the makeup and also the eyelids. Then I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I'm going actually a little more out of order than I had planned. I was gonna do brows next. I'm going to do a little bit of warming up the skin right here, just barely, kind of giving like a sun-kissed look. Same color, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my brow, or not my brow, my crease. See how that just gives some really nice warmth. I love using my bronzer in my crease. What time do we have? Maybe I should stop checking. 2.5 minutes, halfway point. I don't know where I'm at right now. Okay, I'm gonna do a little eyeshadow. This is the Collab Pro eyeshadow palette in Get Ready With Me. It's my favorite one. I'm taking the shimmer on my pinky because it's so pigmented and you just need a little bit on the inner corners. Really, really nice. Take a small bullet brush, run it underneath. And then I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. This might be unnecessary actually. Oh my gosh, mascara. Okay, I'm gonna take the Rocket Volume Maybelline Mascara, which I've been loving. Go ahead and do a couple coats of that. Usually I probably would do more, but I think I'm down to like a minute right now. Oh my gosh. I think I spent too long on the foundation. I hope you guys are doing this with me. This would make it way more fun. I feel like very alone in this. I have a minute and a half. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take a little bit of my brow product. This is Espresso by MAC in a flat liner brush, and put it mostly on the outer 2/3 of the brow. Just kind of do little flicking motions. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, so I just want a little bit because it's a natural look. Oh my gosh. And now I'm gonna do my lips. This is Smashbox Mauve or Mauve. And take a little bit of this on your fingers. This is my favorite trick. Hopefully I can get to both cheeks. Do the same color on your lips as your cheeks and make that into a blush. I'm almost done. Oh my God. Really just like press that in. You see how pretty that is? Oh, I love using everyday lip colors and then as your cheek color. gonna take a little bit of this guy, shake it up. Make sure this is blended. How are we doing here? Okay. Am I good? I feel like I could use more brow if I have more time. I'm still going. A little more brow, a little bit more. Maybe take this little hair off. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of impressed with myself right now. This is something I would like do every single day. This is kind of what I do every single day. I think I just take way too long when I get ready in the morning. I could just know that I can do this in 5 minutes now. I could be spending my time so much more wisely in the morning. Kind of questioning a lot of my decision making right now. Another really great tip that I've done recently is having my makeup lined up in the order of which I'm gonna do it in the morning. So that'll speed up your makeup even more when you're trying to get somewhere, so you know what to grab when, just kind of like don't even have to think. Honestly, less is more. Like, I don't have that many products in front of me that I reached for. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. As always, take care. Bye guys.